Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play in any key. Playing in different keys opens up a world of musical possibilities and enhances your understanding of music theory. We will cover essential concepts that will empower you to confidently navigate various musical landscapes. By the end, you will have a solid foundation to transpose and improvise in any key, making your musical journey more versatile and enjoyable. Let's dive into the fundamentals of major scales. Every major scale follows a specific pattern of whole and half steps, which is crucial for playing in any key. A whole step is equivalent to 2 half steps, or 2 frets on a guitar, or 2 piano keys apart. Understanding this universal formula allows you to construct a major scale starting from any note, forming the basis for playing melodies and chords across all 12 keys. The circle of fifths is an invaluable tool for understanding key relationships. It visually organizes the 12 keys, showing how they are related by perfect fifths. Moving clockwise adds a sharp, while moving counterclockwise adds a flat. This powerful diagram helps you quickly identify the key signature, relative minor, and even common chord progressions, making it much easier to transpose and improvise in any musical context. Now, let's talk about practical application. Consistent practice is key to mastering playing in any key. Start by practicing your major scales and arpeggios through all 12 keys. Then, take simple melodies you already know and transpose them into different keys. Finally, challenge yourself by improvising over backing tracks in various keys. This hands-on approach will solidify your understanding and build your confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.